Is it time to buy or sell China Liberal Education Holdings Limited stock? In this video, we will explore China Liberal Education Holdings Limited in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 31st of January, 2025, and we are now here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You certainly do not want to miss any key updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 30th of January 2025, our system has identified China Liberal Education Holdings Limited as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.06. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. Surprisingly, the stock has outperformed our system's expectations, achieving a gain of 34.95%. This equates to an average return of 17.48% each day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently situated at the lower end of a very broad and strong upward trend in the short term, which typically indicates an excellent buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at 0.18 is breached, it will first suggest a slower rate of increase, but it may also serve as an early warning for a potential trend shift. The existing 3-month trend projects a possible change of 32.19% over the next 3 months, with a prospective return ranging from 19.19% to 5,132.26%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a negative change of 80.16% over the coming year, with potential returns from -100% to 639.89%. This translates to a price range of $0 to $1.48 after a year. Our latest daily update for China Liberal Education Holdings Limited includes the headline: High volatility in China Liberal Education Holdings Limited stock price on Friday, which ended trading at 200 cents. The stock price of China Liberal Education Holdings Limited saw an increase of 34.95% on the last trading day, Friday, the 31st of January, 2025, rising from 148 cents to 200 cents. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 50.3%, with a low of 152 cents and a high of 228 cents. The price has increased in 8 of the last 10 days, but it remains down by 96% for this period. Volume declined on the last day by 59 million shares, with a total of 231 million shares bought and sold for approximately $46.13 million. It is important to consider that falling volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning about potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $52.05, while the lowest was 130 cents. Currently, the price is 99.62% or $51.85 below the 52-week high, and 99.99% or $2,353.30 below the all-time high on the 28th of August, 2020, when the price peaked at $2,353.50. China Liberal Education Holdings Limited, trading under the symbol CLEU, has recently regained compliance with Nasdaq's minimum bid price requirement. This marks a significant development for the company, especially following a challenging period where it struggled to maintain the necessary share price of $1 for 30 consecutive business days. The return to compliance, confirmed in a notification dated January 10, 2025, effectively alleviates previous concerns regarding its Nasdaq listing. In addition to this compliance news, CLEU announced a share consolidation that is set to take effect shortly. This consolidation will convert every 15 shares into one, profoundly impacting the share structure. While share consolidations can be interpreted as a strategy to enhance a company's stock price by reducing the number of shares outstanding, they may also reflect past difficulties with the stock. In the short term, regaining compliance and the upcoming consolidation could positively influence investor sentiment, potentially attracting new investors who had previously been hesitant. However, the company faces challenges in revenue, particularly a decline attributed to the completion of key technology projects, raising concerns about its growth trajectory. The long-term impacts will depend on the company's ability to stabilize revenue streams and effectively leverage its smart campus solutions. Investors will be closely monitoring how these strategic steps unfold to ensure that compliance and share consolidation lead to sustainable growth in share price and overall market confidence. Analysts have assigned China Liberal Education Holdings Limited stock a general neutral rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for China Liberal Education Holdings Limited. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, January 30th, 2025, and so far it has risen approximately 34.95%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Volume decreased during the last trading day, even though prices gained. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could serve as an early warning sign. The stock should be monitored closely. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence the short-term outlook. The stock of China Liberal Education Holdings Limited is facing sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, presenting a more negative forecast. On upward corrections, there will be resistance at $5.31 and $3.98. A breakout above any of these levels will generate buy signals. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 3 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 23 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 3 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 9 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for China Liberal Education Holdings Limited. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level, and under the right conditions, the stock may perform poorly in the coming days. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, characterized by high volatility. With a large prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, this stock is deemed to be very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by approximately $0.0763 between its high and low, representing a change of 50.3%. In the past week, the stock has recorded an average daily volatility of 152.5%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for China Liberal Education Holdings Limited, let us first examine some essential fundamental data. To begin, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is generating negative earnings or is currently incurring losses. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to factors outside their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profits and could pose risks of bankruptcy. Now let's explore some potential day trading levels for China Liberal Education Holdings Limited. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, indicating that the stock could experience a swift upward movement under favorable conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume as a guide for your exit strategy. Conversely, there is no notable support from accumulated volume below, suggesting that the stock could face a sharp decline under certain circumstances. It is important to proceed with caution and only consider placing trades if you are an experienced trader who understands how to navigate these situations. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and a stop loss has not been established. Is China Liberal Education Holdings Limited stock a good buy? Currently, the stock of China Liberal Education Holdings Limited presents several negative indicators. Despite a positive trend, we anticipate that this stock will likely perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, our assessment of this stock is negative. Upon analyzing the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 3rd of February, we expect China Liberal Education Holdings Limited to open lower by approximately 0.0068 and begin trading at 0.193. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.